young explorers. Get ready for an exciting journey through time with our friend, Leonardo da Vinci. He was an amazing inventor, artist, and thinker. Long ago in Italy, there lived a young boy named Leonardo da Vinci. He was no ordinary kid. He was a genius in the making. He lived during a historic period of time known as the Renaissance. It was a time of great learning that continues to inspire people today. Leonardo loved to draw and sketch. His notebook was like his treasure chest, filled with incredible ideas and creations. But these weren't just any drawings. Leonardo had a wild imagination. He drew machines, flying contraptions, and even robots. As he grew up, he became a famous artist. His most famous painting, the Mona Lisa, is like a mysterious puzzle the whole world wants to solve. But Leonardo was not just an artist. He was also a scientist. He was curious about life and nature. He studied the human body and other animals. He also was an inventor and designed amazing machines. One of his fantastic inventions was a flying machine. He dreamed of people soaring through the sky like birds, long before airplanes took to the skies. His inventions were so mind-blowing that even today, scientists and inventors look to his ideas for inspiration. Leonardo da Vinci was a man of boundless wonder, imagination, and never-ending curiosity. He shows us that with creativity and hard work, we can do extraordinary things. And that, my young friends, is the incredible story of Leonardo da Vinci, the genius of the Renaissance. If you want more awesome adventures through history and science, don't forget to click that subscribe button. See you on the next journey, young explorers.